Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket internationally. Now for this, what you need is this specific website. It's called DAZN.com. Okay, and here you can watch every NFL game during the regular season and the playoffs. Okay, including the Super Bowl. You can go ahead and sign up for with them. Okay, it's available on their website. You can watch it internationally, anywhere in this world. You can get access to every regular season NFL game and every playoff matchup. Basically, that's about 335 games per season, and each game is available live and on a demand. Okay, you can go ahead and get that. And if you're wondering about the prizes, these are the prizes depending on what country you are in. Okay, if your country's not listed here, you can go ahead and sign up and you'll go through the process like that. Now, if you're wondering what kind of devices are supported, there's a lot of platforms: Apple TV, Chromecast, Amazon Fire TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Amazon Fire Tablet, Android phones, tablets, iPhones, iPads, you name it, guys, almost everything, even PlayStations and Xboxes. So that is a whole list of devices you can go ahead and get. So go ahead to DAZN.com. Here, key DAZN, as you can see, and I am heading to the homepage just to show you. But otherwise, guys, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.